Hello everyone. Want to back up your Android data before a factory reset? Here's how to do that. So first of all, you are to open up your settings. Now let's scroll down and locate our accounts and backup section. There we are. Let's choose it. So let's start with something with all of the Androids phone share in common is a Google services. So let's press on Google Drive and let's press backup data. So here, make sure that your phone backs up all the data which you want. For example, I want it to back up photos and videos as well while it wasn't backing up. So let's press turn on backup. Great. Now let's get back. Let's tap on other device data. Yes, it's getting backed up as well. Then make sure that you have enough storage, because here, if you're gonna tap on it again, you'll see this storage score. So this is what we need. Let's get back and let's press backup now. So give your phone some time. The waiting time for the backup will depend only on the amount of data which you have. So the more you have, more time will it take. However, simply let it back up. You'll get a notification. It can do itself just as the background process. Let's get back and let's follow up with the second variant, and it's fitting for Samsung users. But basically, all of the phones have this option. So like Xiaomi have their Xiaomi Cloud, as well as Samsung users have their Samsung Cloud. So simply press backup data. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now choose what data you want to back up. So simply choose the desired section, tap on the switches near them, and press back up now if you're ready. Basically, that's it. Now, the same as with the Google Drive, simply give it some time to be backed up. The amount of time depends only on the amount of data which you're backing up. And after that, when it's all set and ready, the backups are done, your data is safe. Let's go back and locate our general management tab. After that, tap on the reset, then press factory data reset, and after that simply press reset. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.